He knows where to enter.
Yeah, that's Dasher.
Look at the water dumping out of the bed. Oh! Those poor speakers, man. All right, so a lot of you guys can guess or have heard or seen the thumbnail about what's about to happen. But no one was hurt. Everyone was good. It's all good fun. And this buggy's awesome. This is like one of the few big Polarises I've ever seen take a beating every weekend and drive themselves back on their own power. This thing's built really well, as it should be, because Rich builds these things for a living. But yeah, so there's his contact and his phone number information. If you need to get a hold of this guy, he builds half the big buggies you see in this video. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you the damage report. But yeah, enjoy, like, and share the video. It's a pretty good one. He's going to go over one day, and I'm going to get it on video. Oh! I think I just jinxed him. I feel bad about that.
What did we talk about leaving on 2 Crawl out of there.
Hey, buddy.
You live down there? I'm good.
You want us to flip it over or you want to get out first?
Yes, no, we need to flip it over.
Yeah, that hole's real square.
Did you get it on video or no?
Hey, no, dude, you know I got it on video. Come on.
Dude,
fucking professional. Yeah, I fucking got it on video.
Richie, get your big ass over here, boy.
All right, let's go.
When they go over, I'll be I can't get shit.
Dude, we ain't flipping this bitch.
We can flip it.
This thing weighs 3,000 pounds.
Nah, man.
Nah, man, this thing look like...
Only like 2,800.
Yeah.
Hey, it's far enough, bro.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
I don't even know why it fucking flipped.
They're putting a winch on it. We're gonna get a couple winches.
Maybe if you had like 42s instead of 40.
Hey,
You moan.
hey, do you know a good mechanic that can fix this? You know any mechanics?
Maybe.
Look at the fucking Mountain Dews floating everywhere.
No, those are mine. He picked them up for me.
My old lady.
No, don't tell her.
My old lady's gonna be pissed.
What?
Hey, don't hook it to the windshield. I like this windshield.
I know.
Hey, listen, dog, I got a pro tip for you.
Hold on.
Scratch all the Polaris stickers off and won't flip over. Don't think it's a Honda.
No.
That's gonna cut down here though.
Listen,
Yeah, that's fine.
That's okay?
As long as it's
Okay.
right there.
All right.
That's fine. Hey, to go over. Trust me.
So I've got a ton of other footage I need to go through from this ride. It was absolutely nuts. A lot of other machines got sunk. But this was the one everyone's talking about, of course, because, you know, it's Rich. But the machine started up after we pulled the spark plugs and checked everything for water. Polarises have that crazy big intake plumbing with no drain. So just to be safe, we pulled the spark plugs. But this thing is so big, even on its side, water didn't get in the motor. Oil was cleaned. So it's good to go. It drove itself back, which is what you want to see. That's excellent. And also, I think the roof speakers have some damage because I guess that amplifier isn't waterproof and that was underwater. But other than that, mechanically, I think the Polaris survived. Please like, subscribe, share the video on social media, wherever you guys want. Let's try to get this video a bunch of views. And yeah, I'll work on editing the rest of this footage. A lot of other hilarious stuff.